Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Diverse Craft class. Today we're making an Eli bowl. So this is one big Eli bowl on a small Eli bowl on a big Eli bowl, and this is Christmas themed. Measurement is about 10 centimeters or 4 inches in width. And if you're gonna do this, you're going to measure your grosgrain ribbon to the tune of 18 centimeters, 22 centimeters for the bigger ribbon and 18.5 centimeters for the smaller ribbon. So first thing we're going to do is to apply some UHU glue to the tip of your ribbon or to one end of your ribbon. We're going to do this on all four cutouts or all four ribbons that we have. Now you're going to leave this for about 30 seconds to, let's say, get dry a bit. UHU needs that time to solidify, and then we're going to join to form a circle, one end to the other. So we're going to do this on all four ribbons, and then we're going to do this on the last two ribbons. Make sure that the ribbons are glued in properly. So the next thing would be to stretch the ribbon end to end. This is to get the center point, and this is normal with bows. When you want to make bows, it's good you get the center point of your ribbons so as to get equal measurements on the left and the right side. So we're going to do this on all four. Just stretch and use a lighter to mark the center of the ribbon. You'll see what I mean in a few seconds. The lighter tends to mark your grosgrain ribbon. So now we can see that we have our mark showing the center of the ribbon. Now just at this center, you're going to fold your ribbon like so. Fold in and out. This gives us about 2 layers as shown in the picture. I really don't know how else to describe it, but when you get that fold, you're going to use your thread to tie in the middle. If you like, you pass your needle through at first before then tying with your thread. We're going to do this on all 4 layers. Alright, so just at the center, we're going to join our ribbons, our different strips of grosgrain ribbon. We're going to join them as I've done in the video shown here. And just as I did this first layer, we're going to do the second layer, which is the smaller ribbon. We're going to do exactly the same thing on the smaller ribbon as shown in this video. Okay guys, now we're going to we're going to attach our metal clip to the main ribbon by just applying some glue and then joining it. Then next thing is to put a strip to cover the center of the ribbon. If not, you don't want your thread work to show at the center of the ribbon. I'm going to do this twice. Just wrap 1 centimeter grosgrain ribbon around the center of the bow. We're going to do this twice and then come and fasten it on the second wrap. After this, you'll remember to use your lighter to heat seal, apply some glue, and then make sure you do this neatly, and then you fasten or attach at the end. After this, I want to use a gold ribbon, a gold velvet ribbon. Cut just the exact length. You saw I was measuring it a few moments ago, and just apply some glue to the part where you want to attach the ribbon, which is the middle of our bow. Apply some glue and then do this all round, and we're done. Thanks for watching. If you want a bigger size, remember to just increase about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters, an inch, whatever. Add to the end of the initial measurement I used, and you would get a bigger bow. You can also use a difference of about 4 inches between both. So thanks guys for watching.